Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences. Silver bullet with me, Richard here. Okay, today we are looking at this question, grade 10 question. It says that what is meant by isotopes of an element? What are they? Okay, isotopes are atoms with the same atomic number but different atomic mass number. So by virtue of having the same atomic number, it means they belong to the same element. Because what classifies an element is the atomic number. So they are atoms having the same atomic number but different atomic mass number. Yeah. Then we come to this question. It says that consider the two isotopes of chlorine below. So these are the two isotopes. And the question says that identify the difference between the two isotopes. Okay. One, they have different atomic mass number. And two, which actually is related to the first one, they have different number of neutrons. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that identify the similarities between the two isotopes. Yeah, what is common between the two isotopes? One, they have the same atomic number. And two, they have the same, which is also related to the first one, the same number of protons. Yeah, then we come to this one. It says that for isotope, this one, chlorine 35, write 1, the number of protons. Yes, how many protons are in this isotope? They are 17. You have to know that the number here, 17, represents atomic number, which is also the number of protons. Okay? Then they say number of nucleons. Now, number of nucleons is the same as atomic mass number. So the answer is 35. You have to differentiate between nucleons and neutrons. Okay, this one says the number of neutrons. Okay, how many neutrons does this isotope have? You have to know that neutrons are given by atomic mass number minus atomic number, which gives us number of neutrons. Okay, so what is the atomic mass number? It is 35. And what's the atomic number? 17. So what we get is going to be the number of neutrons. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that for this isotope, write 1, the atomic number. So we have to know that this is said 17, which is the atomic number. So it is 17. Then the atomic mass number, it is that 35. It is that 37. Okay. Then the number of protons. Number of protons is the same as atomic number. So it is 17. Then nucleon number. Yeah, nucleon number implies is the same as atomic mass number. So it is 37. Then number of neutrons. Number of neutrons is equal to atomic mass number minus atomic number. So this gives you a number of neutrons. So what is the atomic mass number? It is 37 and atomic number is 17. This gives us the number of neutrons as 20 neutrons. Yeah, then we come to this question. It says that consider the two isotopic elements below. We have A and B. A is consisting of two isotopes of chlorine having these percentage abundances. And B consists of the 4 isotopes of zinc with their respective percentage abundances. And the question says that calculate the relative atomic mass of each. Okay, how do we go about this? Okay, let's start with A. So it's relative atomic mass of chlorine. Okay, what do we know about A? Remember, it's atomic mass, so we are going to use the atomic mass numbers, not atomic numbers. Okay, so what you have to know is that these percentages, they are per 100. So they are percentages. So ideally, there is a summarized formula which I normally avoid because it involves cramming. But by just dealing with the percentages, we can have a clear, straightaway formula. So what are we going to have here? We are having 75.5%, meaning over 100. And that one is times 35. Respectively means in that order. So this one is for this and this one is for this. Okay, then plus 24.5 over 100 times 37. This is what people summarize as 75.5 times 35 plus 24.5 times 37. All this one over 100. Yeah, that's what we have. You have to remember that the unit for this is not grams per mole. It is atomic mass unit. Yeah, then we come to relative atomic mass of zinc. Okay, how do you go about this? The same way. This is percentage. So we say it's 27.90 over 100 times 66 plus 4.10 over 100 times 67 plus 18 0.75 over 100 times 68 plus 0.52 over 100 times 70. Okay, what we get out of here, we can summarize it by saying 27.90 times 66 plus 4.10 times 67 plus 18.75 times 68 plus 0.52 times 70, all this one over 100. Yeah, then we come to this one, element B, which is zinc. We see zinc has 5 isotopes, and we are required to calculate the relative atomic mass for it. What do we do here? Okay, you have to know that what we have here are percentages. So this is 48.63%. Okay, which is times 64 plus this one 27.90% times 66 plus 4.10% times 67 plus 18.75% times 68 plus 0.52% times 70. Okay, if you summarize this one, this is what we are going to get. We are going to have 48.63 times 64 plus 27.90 times 66 plus 4.10 times 67 plus 18.75 times 68 plus 0.52 times 70. Yeah, all this over 100. This will give us, giving us this, which is 65.3982, approximately 65.40. And with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB Physical Sciences Silver Bullet with me, Richard. We urge you to subscribe, to like, to comment, to share. Yeah, we believe we are the best. So stick with us. You won't regret. See you next time. Bye-bye.